The vision was always to try to do a luxury bistro where we could serve old world food with a touch of avant-garde dishes as well.
The key is just to keep it at the quality that we start with, that we continue with, really good quality ingredients, no cutting corners, and then really the focus on service. All of our employees have been with us a really long time. It's a great group of people. We just really work well together.
You know, we're only as good as our last service last night, so we take a day at a time and we try to make sure the food is as good as it can be. The guest dictates that passion behind it.
We met working at Aubergine, and the kitchen is a very high-stress environment, and we knew that if we could do that together, that we could really open our business, add on all the pressures and all the stress and the everyday goings-ons, and then we just, we work really well together.
It's been amazing. The last 6 months look like a blur to us. Every night is a different show, and we try to please everyone. The location's amazing. We have the ocean so close, the fresh air, the fresh ocean air, the window, and having the people can look through the whole window and see what we're doing on a daily basis. It's a great aspect of the restaurant.
Our customers have been so excited by the new location. We have our clientele that has been with us for over the last 10 years. And then we have new clientele that are coming from down south, coming up from Laguna, Dana Point, San Clemente. Everyone's coming from that area up to this location. It has a great feel, it's roomier, it's a new environment. The feedback has been incredible. It's opened a whole new clientele.